came here with a number of projects. So I had been at the agricultural university. I had been discussing exporting mango to Germany. We had been speaking about Pakistani students coming to Germany for study, but also for work. From here, from this region, there's so much young talent. Then German investors might come to Multan. There's a Metro Superstore now, had been established a few years ago here in Multan, and maybe we can attract some more German investment to the city. So there are so many areas of cooperation. This is not only for Germany, what can Germans do for Multan, but also what can people from Multan do for people in Germany. German universities provide very, very good technical education, and we are running a number of scholarships programs, and also our law has changed, so we are really attracting. We are trying to attract young talent, good students to come to Germany, and of course our technical engineering schools are the finest of the world, and we hope to welcome students from this region also there. We are hoping for the Goethe Institute in Karachi to be able to offer more language training, more education, also cultural programs digitally, and make it also accessible, even more accessible here to this region. And this is, I think, the way forward. With such institutions like the Goethe Institute, you have to think digitally. I hope so. I mean, inshallah. We do not know yet, but I know there is work being done. The problem with exporting mango from Multan, they are so tasty, they are so great, is that in 3 weeks' time with the shipment, they lose their taste. And if scientists manage a little bit to grow slightly different mangoes, which have the capacity, which are more resilient to the transport time, and they keep their taste, then I'm sure there's huge potential. And I'm really glad yesterday I learned that there is, at the agricultural university, I learned that there is progress in this respect. And so I really hope, but let us not predict the future. We will see, inshallah. Resilience against climate change is one of the priorities of our economic cooperation programs run by the GIZ facilities from Islamabad. And they, as I said, these are our priorities, and there are already contacts between GIZ and practitioners here from this region. And yes, there are, I think there are possibilities and projects in the future to come.